Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name's Clara Z and I do videos on luxury, fashion, and lifestyle. So today I have something a little different. It is a Hobonichi haul. It came in this FedEx box. And basically Hobonichi are a journaling agenda company, stationery, etc. And they create Japanese agendas and it's something I've been really enjoying. So let me share with you what I got for 2024. So first off, I got this beautiful flat pouch. So this is called Tokyo in Bloom Rabbits. And it's out of this cloth material, but I'm not sure if you can see. It's kind of glittery, shiny in this spot, and it has a blue zipper with pink edges, and I thought this would be really nice just to put some stationery items in here. So if you look inside, it's just basically a blue lining inside, and this is very pretty just to put stationery or other miscellaneous items into here. Next up, I got two covers, one in this beautiful cherry blossom color. It is in pink and the interior is brown, and this is for the A6 agenda, and I'll show you how that fits a bit later. I actually got a second agenda cover, and this is called the Twinkle Tweed, and this one is also in the A6 size. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really beautiful. It has these pink, green, and blue tweed, and the interior looks like this. And this is for a second agenda that I also ordered, and I'll explain how I use them in a moment. But this is a beautiful agenda cover, and this is called the cover on cover, and I plan to put this on top of this pink one so I can show you how that works in a bit. And the rest came in this beautiful box. It says Lifebook Hobonichi Techo 2024 for next year. So let me show you what I got. And there's a beautiful quote here. It says, "A calendar is filled with numbers, days that have passed and days still to come. It's funny, of all of them, the only one we are living is today. The only day we can reach out and touch is today. Safety matches fireside chat." Isn't that a beautiful quote? And I really also believe that today is really the day you can really live for, so best to live your day. So this opens up, and there are quite a few items in here, so let me just put down the box. So here is the first item. It is a gingham A5 size cover, and inside is blue. And I know you're thinking, why do you have so many agendas? I will explain that later on how I use them. So this is the gingham one, and I got a plastic cover just to kind of keep it waterproof and clean, and in case I want to put pictures or stickers inside. And it comes with these two freebies. Let me open up and see which ones I got. So the first one is this sushi little bag. It's quite cute. And the second one is this kind of orange red little bag, and it says, I think it says a day or something like that. It's got this blue little top handle. It's quite cute. I'm not really sure what I will put in here, but it is quite cute. These are just little freebies that came with the pack. So with each agenda, it comes with this freebie pen. It comes in this I believe it's tri-colored pen if I'm not mistaken, and each year it comes in different colors. This year it's this beautiful blue with this brown, and it writes beautifully. So I have 4 here because I have 4 different agendas. Also in here, I also have some paper boards. So these are what you put under the pages so that your ink doesn't run through, or if you push harder, it doesn't get on the next page. So this is from Animal Crossing, and this is for the A6 size. And this one is for the A5 size. I also got some other supplies like these little dots to decorate and make notes for the agenda. And also I got this photo album cover, and it's really just to put miscellaneous things inside the agenda. If I would have extra stickers or items or cards that I want to put inside, I can use this photo album. So next up are basically the 4 agendas that I got, starting with the Days Free Hobonichi Techo. So this is what this looks like, and basically this one is undated. And what I like about this one is that I can pretty much write freely in this, and I don't have to go by any particular date. It's undated, so I tend to use this one when I want to go out and I want to journal. So it's a really compact and nice and small size, so that I can carry it in a purse or take it out with my wallet, and I can go out and I can journal during my lunch hour or during my free time, and it just helps to clear my mind and my thoughts, or if there are things I want to journal about, this is really great for that. And one of the reasons why I like this brand is because of the paper. So they used to use Tomoe River paper. I believe they changed the paper a bit this year, but it's like a very silky and smooth paper. It's very lightweight and thin to keep the books compact. So I really love this paper. I believe they changed the paper up this year, but it's still a beautiful Japanese paper. It comes with this little manual to basically tell you how you can use some of these books. So there are some instructions in there. So basically I'm using this as a journal slash diary. And then the next one I caught is called the Avec, and basically this is like a planner, also in the A6 size, and I like this size because it's really portable. So this acts more like a planner agenda. So let me show you. So there's a type that comes as one book and it's thicker. However, there's a version where they break it up between Jan to June and also from July to December, and I like that because sometimes you can make your notebook lighter because it's only half the size. And I know there's some people who like to put decorations, stickers, or photos inside, which makes it really thick. So some people like to split it up between two books. So I can just briefly show you the layout. So basically it has like an annual calendar, and then it has like a monthly kind of planning, kind of a tracker, and then after that it has the monthly calendar, and then after that it goes day by day, and you can see that it's done in different days, and it has a time on the side. You can be so creative on how you use this. There are a lot of videos on how people set up their planner. So this one is in Japanese, but there's also an English version. I don't find there is a huge difference between the two, other than the fact that some of the quotes tend to be in English for the English version, but I believe the Avec, or the version that splits it up in two, only comes in Japanese, which is also fine because I really just need to know the days of the week. And then at the end of here there's things like a timetable, things about your favorites, or my 100 if you have some goals on what you want to do or read, and then it just has some information about different things here in the back. I believe this is to do with food, and then there are instructions on the back on different plants or something like that. I haven't looked at this carefully yet, but you get the idea. So this is what this is like, and I'll put this into the covers so you can see what it looks like after that. So the third agenda I got is actually in English. This is the 2024 version, and this is called the Hobonichi Techo, and I tend to use this for work because I usually leave this on my desk, and it's a way for me to keep track of my days and keep track of my to-do list, whereas with this one I tend to carry around with me, and it tends to hold more personal information, whereas with this one I leave it on the desk. So let me just open that up quickly for you so you can see what that looks like inside. So this is called the Hobonichi Cousin, and this is in the A5 size. So as you can see, it's a lot bigger than the A6 size, but I like this size for work because I can put more things inside, and this one does come in English. So it has a similar layout to the one in Japanese. There's a calendar, and there's kind of like a monthly kind of tracker. after that, there's like a monthly layout. And then what I really like here is that there are like weekly layouts if you want to plan your weeks out. But in addition to the weekly layouts, there is also a daily layout, one for each day. So you can really plan out your plans yearly, weekly, monthly, and also daily. So this I tend to use more for work because there's just more space for that. And as you can see, all the quotes on the bottom, they are in English. And I also really like the fact that you can also see a monthly calendar here on the corner. And last but not least, I got this weekly agenda cover, and it's called Another Night of Falling Star Sparkles, and I really love this cover. It's so pretty. Let me show you. So as you can see, there is a cat and it's playing with a wand and it's sprinkling stars, and that has a bit of a sparkle. Isn't that pretty? And here is the back. There is another cat here overlooking the city, and something is falling out. It looks like some kind of a bookmarker. Here you can see, and apparently the artist is Hiroko Kubota. Maybe I'm pronouncing that badly, but basically the illustrator was from 1971, and he likes to make landscapes, people, and animals. So this is so pretty. I love this, and this is also a great portable size, but this one is more of a weekly layout, as you can see here. And this is also good for your handbag if you want to have something super small and portable and thin. Other than the weekly layout, you can also write things on this side, and at the front you can see there's also a monthly display, and like the other agendas, it also has a annual tracker, as you can see here. And if you run out of room, there's space in the back where you can also write things. There are plenty of pages that are just grid lines, but I think this is a really fantastic portable piece if you want something just quick and easy. So let me put together the covers on the new agendas, and I'll also show you what I've been using in the past, which is also a combination of Hobonichi and Hermes. So let me show you what the new ones look like first. So here I have my Days Free in the Twinkle Tweed cover. You can see there are a bunch of slots here to put cards, and also at the back, and there's also two bookmarks in blue and pink. So let me show you the one that I've been using as a journal for this year, also from Hobonichi. I really love this one. It has different carpet textures on each of these patches, and they're put together. So this is what I've been using for this year. So I actually really love this cover, and I plan to use between these two as kind of my daily journaling diary. So here is the cherry blossom one. It's quite beautiful. I love this pink, and I love that there's a back slot here, which is really handy. And you can see the bookmarks on this are this brown color, which is matching the interior. Again, bunch of slits and pockets here on one side, and also a lot of pockets on this side. For this one, I chose to put a cover on top, which is this really cute cover. So let me put that over this and show you what it looks like. So here it is with the plastic cover on top. Isn't it so cute? I love that it has the little ice cream cakes and all the little goodies on top. It just makes me really happy to look at this cover, and I'll be really happy to pull this out to use to just keep track of my daily agenda in a portable format. It's so beautiful. So here you can see I put in the photo slots into here, and I might not use these for photos, but if I have extra things that I want to put in here, I can put them through these little slots. So next up I have the gingham one, very beautiful black and white, and it's got again these beautiful light blue card slots, and the bookmarks on this one are also a beautiful, almost like a Tiffany blue. And again, I have a clear cover for it. So here it is with the clear cover, and again I can slip in little photos or stickers in between here if I want to fully decorate this up. And over the past year I've been using this one for work, and without giving out too many details, you can kind of see how I decorated my work one. So it's got work and personal tasks on one side, and then I can write notes to the middle that are more work related, and you can see I've decorated with stickers and markers, etc. It makes me so happy to look at these every time I open up my agenda for work, or if there's a certain day I feel stressed and I need a break, what I'll do is I'll crack open the agenda and I'll start making these pages and put on all these stickers, and it just uplifts my day to prepare me for the week of work. So finally, I want to show you the final agenda that I've also been using to keep track and diarize my days, and it is this Hermes cover. And I was able to purchase this secondhand off of a secondhand website, and I love Hermes leather. It's really beautiful and it's soft, and I've seen YouTubers being able to put their planners into this notebook, and so in the future if I want to use this as a Hobonichi planner, I can do it. What I've seen people do is basically they just put holes on the back and then they will attach the planner to this part so that they can use this as a cover for the notebook. And it's approximately the same size as the A6 notebook. So basically the A6 notebook would fit in here perfectly like that if you wanted to use your Hermes Ulysses notebook. So this is also a great way to experience and enjoy the leather while using your favorite Hobonichi planner, and I'm pretty sure I've seen some YouTube videos teaching people how to do that, so if you look online I'm pretty sure they're around. But I just wanted to share with you my most frequently used agendas and notebooks in case you're looking to plan for 2024 and you're looking for some notebook ideas. I hope this has given you some idea of what some of the agendas look like and what the covers are looking like. And of course there are still quite a few choices left on the Hobonichi website. I do know that some of their more popular covers, they do sell out quite quickly, so if you're interested you should go and have a look now. And some of them are by lottery only. So for example, this one from last year was only available via lottery, but I was really lucky to be able to get this one because I absolutely love this. It's got the different textures, the carpeting, and it's so beautiful, don't you agree? So I believe this cover comes in different variations and they'll have slightly different designs from year to year, but I really absolutely love the patchwork and the beautiful texture of the different carpeting on each of these patches. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you're new to my channel, please feel free to like and subscribe. For my returning viewers, I hope you've also enjoyed this update and reveal of something a little different, which is some of the planners I've been using. And if you're interested, you can also go and look online. If you have any comments or suggestions on what type of planners you like to use, please feel free to leave them down below. Otherwise, I wish you a fabulous day, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye now!